Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a wonderful hair oil that contains a lot of nutrients. This oil will help to prevent environmental pollution that causes damage to your hair. It will also help to treat hair loss. So continue watching. This hair oil, you will need pumpkin seed. I'll be making use of 5 tablespoons of pumpkin seed. Pumpkin seed contains vitamin C, E, zinc, and so many important nutrients. It will help to stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, promote hair growth, and also strengthen hair follicles. Seed oil will block enzymes or hormones in the scalp, which causes hair loss. You can add more depending on your choice or the quantity of the oil that you want to make. So when I'm done adding, I'm going to blend it until it is smooth. So I'm going to add it into the blender. I will blend until smooth. Blending, I'm going to pour it into a bowl. Another ingredient that I'll be using is rosemary. I'm using the dried rosemary, so I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of rosemary. Rosemary will help to stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, which will help to promote hair growth. I'll also make use of grapeseed oil. Feel free to add any oil of your choice. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Stir to mix properly. Mixing, I'll be making use of double boiler method. So I'm going to place the pot into the pot of boiling water, and I'll be stirring and allow the oil to melt, and also so that the pumpkin seed and the rosemary will extract all their nutrients into the oil. After about 45 minutes, I will remove from the heat. So I'm going to strain with a cheesecloth or chiffon cloth to get the oil. So I'm going to squeeze to get all the oil. So when I'm done pressing, I'm going to discharge the pumpkin and the rosemary residue. In a bigger bowl, I'll be adding the pumpkin seed oil. I'll be making use of 1 tablespoon of argan oil. This oil will help to treat dry scalp, dandruff, and it is good for scalp treatment. I'll be making use of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil will help to support your scalp treatment and maintain hair growth. I'll be making use of 12 drops of lavender oil. Lavender oil will help to promote hair growth, treat dandruff, it has calming effect, and also it will add a divine fragrance to this oil. You can also use any essential oil of your choice. I'll be making use of 1 tablespoon of castor oil. This oil will help to treat hair loss, reduce breakage, and dry scalp. When I'm done adding all the oil, I will stir to mix properly. When I'm done stirring, I'm going to store this in a container, in a clean container. I'll be storing the oil in a container. You can apply this oil once a week for effective results. You can also use it as hot oil treatment or as a leave-in conditioner. This is a magic oil that will help to treat hair loss because it contains omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid, zinc, vitamin E, C, which will help to add nutrients to your hair and increase your hair growth. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you.